Hi there guys, in this video I will show you how to set speedometer in Google Maps. First you need to open up Google Maps and then you need to tap on your right upper side on your profile icon. When you get up into that section you need to go right down on the settings side and then you need to scroll down and go for navigation settings right here. Just click on that selection and then scroll down to find out driving options. As you can see on the first side, speedometer, the first selection is turned off. You need to go and turn on this section, and with this guys you're gonna be able right now to get that speedometer in Google Maps. Now if you type for example Madrid and if you go directions, now you can choose your location, for example this one, and then simply first it will bring you to the best route. And now I'm sorry, I will not choose Madrid, I will go for, I don't know, just this side. And now as you can see here, if I go for preview and if I get up right here, now on the three sides, when I get back I have these step sections. Here I can find out all these sections which it could brings me to this speedometer. Thanks for watching, don't forget to hit that like and share the video. See you soon guys.